guys. You had a lot of young guys that got in there and moved the ball down the field for us. Stephen Morris stepped up there, made a couple good plays, and I could have finished it off and capped it off for him in a celebratory fashion. I missed. So it's upsetting on all fronts. I wasn't happy about it, and I got to bang that through next time.
You like
How are you doing?
No,
are you growing your hair out?
Yeah, it's still growing. I need to get it cut. It's driving me nuts, but I'm still going.
How long are you thinking about? Is this like a midlife hair thing, or what's going on here?
No, so I did the PAI treatment back, and I had that procedure done in January, and they told me that they wanted to put me on billboards, and I said, okay. And I want this billboard. You know how you notice you see before and after pictures on billboards, and you say, oh, yeah, you kind of see the change. I want this to be a holy crap, that is a tremendous change type of billboard. So that's what I'm going for. I don't like the long hair. I'm doing it for the billboard.
What the hell is a PAI?
They put hair on. They regrow hair on a bald spot on your head.
Really?
Serious stuff, man.
Did you have a bald spot?
I had one right on top of my head. It was a growing, as I got older, monkey butt, which if you've ever seen a monkey's butt, you got a lot of hair around, and there's just a little tiny place of skin, and that's what I had working up there. And I didn't think I really necessarily needed it, but I thought I'd like to see if we could cover that bad boy up, and they did that, and I'm going to give them one hell of a billboard photograph when it's said and done. I want an eye popping. I want, whoa, wait a minute. What? That does work, doesn't it? Kind of like that.
Yeah, you should take your pants off to do that. Now, did it really work?
Yeah, it absolutely worked. Seriously.
Really? So if I ever go, I mean, I got a good head of lettuce here, but if I ever go bald, yeah, I got a good head of lettuce. I mean, I'm getting the wisdom peaks a little bit. I got a couple gray hairs. It's all downhill. But if I ever go bald, this PAI place really works, huh?
Exactly. You go to PAI, you ask for Darren if you ever get bald or feel as if you're getting bald, and they will make it happen for you.
I have a friend who long snaps to me who has a little light on the lettuce up top. I might.
You want me to contact that friend and maybe send out a feeler for your friend?
Well, I don't want to.
I can help.
I don't want to put any names out there, but I have a friend, that he's an attractive man, but his lettuce is a little light.
Don't your helmets work bald spots on you that sometimes don't grow back? Isn't that kind of the issue with wearing helmets?
I mean, I'm sure he would say that, but I don't think that. I don't think science has proved that yet.
Every going bald dude to ever play in the NFL has said that, though. You realize it.
Certainly. I mean, I would use that excuse. If I ever go bald, I'm going to say that it was the NFL's fault. I mean, blame the NFL for everything. I mean, that's a good idea. So you're telling me medicine and science has gotten us to
medicine and science, if you choose to utilize it, can help a great deal with that, and it did help absolutely. So.
Is it just uber expensive, or is it?
It can be pricey. I'm not going to lie about that. It just depends on if you believe in the work and you really are in need, in your opinion, in that work. So, but it worked for me fantastically.
So you're all in on this procedure.
I am all in on this procedure. Here's what I've done. People have contacted me, Pat, and said, hey, I've been thinking about doing this. Can you tell me? And instead of typing out an email that you can misunderstand, I actually call these people and explain to them exactly what goes on personally, because I don't want to leave anything out. You know what I mean? Because sometimes things in emails can get lost in translation.
Yeah, I understand that.
So I call them and I say, here's what's happening. And if you want to go for it, go for it.
Can I gift it as a Christmas present to somebody I know that long snaps to me?
I think that would be a perfect Christmas gift. Perfect for the holiday season for somebody that long snaps to you. Yeah.
I hope you're getting paid a lot by PAI. We just did a great commercial.
I'm telling you, they're out there. They're skipping right now, man. They're loving. Somebody is taping this down the hall. That's going to make it back to them. So, yes.
Yeah, there's some guy in your marketing sponsorship department that's just cashing checks in his eyes right now.
He's going,
because when I saw you the other day when I came out of the studio with Dockage,
Yep.
I saw you with your long hair, and I was like, "Holy hell, what is going on here?" I thought you were going through a full midlife crisis, and I was going to talk to you and let you know, like, hey, there's a lot of life left, man. Let's not get too crazy.
I am happy as hell every day, and I didn't necessarily need it, but they said, hey, we can cover that up, and I said, you know what, I'd like to see you cover that up, because you know what, I think, especially when
Why not?
you get late 40s, early 50s, you probably want to turn back the clock a little bit. So, hey,
I think the question is why not? I have some acne scars on my face, and some people have reached out to me to get them fixed. And at first, I was like, no, I don't need that. But I'm kind of leaning towards the why not. I mean, after I see you with your long ass beautiful hair, looking like Bret Michaels, Hulk Hogan, all those guys, I go, why not?
Wait until you see me on billboards. I mean, it is going to be. Wait a minute, hold on. That was the start, and this is 5, 6, 7 months later. Wow. That's what I'm looking for.
Seeing you on a billboard really sounds like the American dream.
Is that fantastic? Yeah. Would you stop and take a picture?
Absolutely not. But I think.
Hey, how many
How
many bald guys do you have on your team that might need that? You don't have to name names, but how many off the top of your head?
I think we probably got about 5 to 10 bald guys. I'm not sure. Stop trying to flip this commercial. Then. I'm sick of this commercial. They're not paying me anything. I'm just.
Well, you started it. You're the one that started it.
But I didn't expect this damn answer out of you.
What do you want me to say? What do you want me to say?
I didn't know we were going into a full commercial, but I am thinking about. I'm thinking about gifting it.
Yeah. Well, I wanted to kind of even this out because you've pretty much called out your long snapper in this, and I wanted to kind of even it out a little bit so he wouldn't feel bad. Well, you did.
Who said that?
Yeah, you did.
No.
You're gifting the long snapper. Yeah, it doesn't take Sherlock Holmes to come up with the conclusion here.
No, I just said a friend. That's all. Who long snaps. A friend who long snaps.
So 10 guys. 10 guys. Yeah.
No, I don't think it's 10. It's 5 to 10.
Hey, I'm going to tell you this. By the time you get my age, innovations will be even better. That's the way that's going to work for you. And listen, you might end up being the damn bionic man by the time you reach 46 or 47.
I'll tell you what, if they want to put Brad Pitt's face on mine, let's do it. You know, if science gets to the point where I can have Brad Pitt's face, Ron Jeremy's abs, and midsection, and let's say I like my legs. I'll keep my legs. Give me LaRon Landry's upper body without the steroids.
Right.
I think I'd purchase all of those things.
Do you still have pictures in your phone of Landry's without a shirt on in the locker room?
No. No, you can just Google those if you want. I mean,
well, I don't think
he's shirtless.
Hey, listen, I'd walk around without a shirt if I looked like that. I'd never wear one. Would you?
If I was LaRon Landry?
Yeah, just walk around without it.
I think shirtless would be the way to go. Definitely a tank top. I don't know why you'd keep those guns covered. I wear tank tops now, and I'm nowhere near that level of. I got the Cricket. You remember the Cricket from Men in Black? And he's rocking with an AR, AK-47 on his arms. I got the Cricket, and I still wear tank tops. So I think it's an interesting thing. And I'll tell you what, Twitter's blowing up right now because Andrew Luck has a new flip phone.
Oh, no. Well, I'm going to talk with him coming up at 5:25. Hey, you got any questions I should ask?
Andrew?
Yeah.